In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. This process is perfect for those who want to not only enhance their online marketing strategy, but also increase their audience engagement through targeted landing pages. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Constant Contact account and navigate to the audience growth area. Once you're there, click on Landing Pages. This is the section where all the magic begins, as it's dedicated to creating and managing your landing pages. When you're ready, locate the plus Create a Landing Page button and give it a click. This action will kickstart your journey to crafting a customized landing page tailored to your needs. Next up, you'll need to decide on the type of landing page you wish to create. If you're looking to start entirely from scratch or simply use a pre-designed template, opt for the custom landing page option. But if your goal is to gather new email and SMS contacts, the sign up landing page will be your choice. This selection allows you to focus on expanding your contact list efficiently. For those who choose the sign up landing page, there's an additional feature. You can customize the thank you page that appears to new contacts once they've submitted their information. This is a nice touch that adds a personal element to your interaction with potential new subscribers. Now let's move on to the fun part, customizing your landing page. Start by opening the Build tab. This tool lets you add a variety of content blocks, layouts, and elements to make your page stand out. You have the creative freedom to design your page exactly how you want it. If visuals are a big part of your landing page, the Images tab is where you'll want to spend some time. Here you can upload and manage all the images that will appear on your page, ensuring it not only looks great but also sends the right message. For the design enthusiasts, the Design tab offers a way to adjust colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your brand's unique style. Once you're satisfied with the look and feel of your landing page, click on Continue. This will take you to the preview page so you can review all your hard work. Before finalizing your page, don't forget to add a page title and description. Adding these elements is crucial for search engine optimization and giving your visitors a clear understanding of what the page is about. You can also customize the page URL, or if you need advanced options, click on the drop down to set an expiration date, integrate third-party analytics, or even hide your page from search engine results. Once all these details are in place, hit continue to activate your landing page. Of course, if you're not quite ready to go live, you can simply save your work and come back to it later. And there you have it, a brand new landing page ready to boost your online presence and help grow your audience on Constant Contact.